What's going on, guys? Thank you so much. This once again is Linda, and I'm looking at the euro today, and I'm looking at analyzing this pair with you guys, and literally going through the pair and try and find the next move on the euro. And hopefully, this video is going to help you guys get a thing or two. And I am going to go through my charts right now, and let's get it, guys. Let's get it. So on the euro. I had analyzed this a couple of weeks ago. This was quite a while when my theme was, still not changed as yet. But I just want to go through this quickly. So if you look at this, I have my blue marker over there, which would be my general upside target on the euro. So this was because of the formation and the structure in which the market had presented to us. And I believe that, this was generally like the last push that we had to the downside on the euro. So the reason for my sentiment is because we have our initial market low there, we have our initial market high over there, and this would then be our higher low from this. And from here, I am expecting at least the euro to rise all the way to 131 to give us, our higher high. So I'm gonna go down to my weekly and check. So again, guys, these zones are quite accurate. These zones that we draw are quite accurate, and always work with regards to market prediction and everything. So you can see how we literally came to spike almost around that 121 area that we had drawn up on the chart. So if you look at this, you can see that we've had multiple spike rejections at the top, multiple spike rejections at the bottom. So if you carefully look at this market over here, you can see that we have been stuck in some sort of a range on this pair. So we were stuck on some sort of a range on the euro. So we broke out from the range last week, but you can see how huge that wick was. And that's probably because of that region over there. So we have like a zone over there as well, that wick over there. You can see how we literally came to spike below that region over there. So just by looking at this market, you can see that we sort of have like an upward room that has to be filled all over that region over there. So we do have, room to the upside on this trade. So I'm gonna go down to my daily now to actually get like a very simplistic approach and analysis on this pair. So we have two things that I would personally look at. So we have this zone for one. I'm gonna try and shift that up to this market over there. So we have this region over there, which I had expected market to at least fill before we start rising. But again, you can see how we slightly shied away from that region over there. Again, you must know that these are not lines but zones as well. So we might have pinned right across that 121 region. So you can see how we've behaved or managed to maintain, and found support at 12400. So we also have this line over there, which is now our previous support. So that was our previous lowest swing that we had on the market. So you can see how we are also behaving above that previous market swing. So if you look at the past couple of days on the euro, we haven't really, created anything. We haven't really moved that much, but we've just been ranging and moving sideways around about that region over there. So if I can just mark that out and label it for future sakes. So you can see that that's the 128 region over there. That's quite holding very well. We have the pain bar right at that support over there. So my sentiment on the pair would be, we look out for longs on this pair, because this candlestick, when it closed above, it gave us a signal that okay, there is time and space for market to literally start moving up again. Guys, you also use this with confluence to your strategy and everything. So for me, I saw that okay, last week we sort of established another region over there. We had a zone that we found on this region over there, and I was waiting just for a close above on this region to actually understand if we're going to go up or down. And you can see how we closed above and we now trading above. And if you use other methods and everything, you can see that we have like some sort of a trend line that's forming over there, which we came to pin right over there. So if we close above that region and we get a retest, 114.50 would be the first general upside target. I hope this helps you guys, and I hope it adds value to your trading as well. Yeah, guys, let's get it, and let's try and kill, kill. Let's try and kill this thing. So this is my thoughts on the euro, and I hope you guys benefit from this. Help me share this video, like it and leave a comment, and hopefully I will be able to record another video for you guys. Thank you so much, and do follow on Instagram at Leendormartin, and like the page as well, and keep updated. Thank you guys. Cheers.